Introducing the new GAZELLE G9801 water leakage detector. Included in the kits are main unit, control handle, outdoor sensor, headphones, test rods, and AC power charger. Available ports are charging port, sensor interface, headphone jack, reset button, power button, mute, frequency settings based on specific signal, mode selection button to adjust the frequency gate, and volume adjustment. Signal gain, frequency gate adjustment and fine-tune button. Connect the sound sensor to the controller, then to the main unit. Then connect the headphone jack to the main unit. Switch on the device by pressing the power button. Start scanning the air where the pipe is buried. Mark those test points where the signal strength is high. This can be an indicator of leakage location. You can then change the mode to recording mode so you can compare each reading and record the highest signal strength. Press the record button and rescan the location of the pipe. The highest signal strength indicates as the highest potential of leakage location. For soil and sand surface, you can use the spike test rod and repeat the same process. Another option is a magnetic probe, typically used for exposed pipes like in service manholes. For more information visit www.gazelleindustrial.com.